Aging gracefully isn't about chasing youth. It's about nourishing it. Every line on our skin tells a story, but what if we could slow the ink? Keeping those stories written gently, not carved? Science now confirms something ancient cultures already knew. Nature's smallest foods can hold the greatest power. In this video, we'll explore 9 humble nuts that do more than fill your snack bowl. They build your foundation for lasting youth. Each one supports collagen, strengthens your heart, protects your brain, and keeps your skin radiant from within. Stay until the end. We'll reveal how to combine them for the ultimate anti-aging effect, and how a single handful a day could transform how you look and feel. Our first contender comes from deep within the emerald heart of the Amazon rainforest, the Brazil nut. At first glance, it's humble, even unassuming. But inside that smooth, woody shell hides one of nature's most powerful anti-aging allies. This tiny seed carries an extraordinary secret. It's one of the richest natural sources of selenium, a trace mineral your body can't produce on its own, yet depends on for protection at the cellular level. Think of selenium as your body's silent guardian. It fuels glutathione, often called the master antioxidant. Together, they form a kind of internal defense system, sweeping up free radicals, repairing oxidative damage, and preventing the breakdown of collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. And here's the beauty of it: you don't need much. Studies show that just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can give you your full daily requirement of selenium. That's enough to brighten your complexion, support your immune system, and keep your thyroid balanced, the gland responsible for your metabolism, energy, and mood. But like any powerful remedy, moderation is key. Too much selenium can have the opposite effect, leading to fatigue or even toxicity. So treat these nuts like medicine, potent, precise, and best taken in small doses. Try them raw or lightly roasted for a richer flavor. You can crush them into morning oatmeal or blend them into a smooth nut butter for a creamy, earthy finish. The ritual doesn't need to be grand to be transformative. Sometimes it's the quiet, everyday choices, a couple of Brazil nuts at breakfast, that whisper longevity into your years and radiance into your skin. Next, cashews. Silky, rich, and gently sweet, they're often seen as comfort food in a handful. But behind that smooth taste lies an incredible secret. Cashews are architects of structure, quietly fortifying the foundation that keeps your body and your skin resilient. Their magic starts with copper, a trace mineral your body needs to build and stabilize collagen and elastin, the very fibers that give your skin its lift, firmness, and youthful elasticity. Think of collagen as scaffolding and copper as the craftsman reinforcing every beam. Without it, that structure softens. The skin loses tone, fine lines deepen, and gravity begins its quiet work. But when you replenish that copper daily, even in small, consistent amounts, you help your skin stay strong, supple, and luminous. Cashews don't stop there. They also deliver zinc, a key player in immune defense and wound healing, and magnesium, the mineral of calm, essential for steady energy, balanced mood, and proper nerve function. Together, this trio forms a powerful synergy, one that supports collagen repair, reduces inflammation, and restores the rhythm between body and mind. And inflammation, subtle, persistent, invisible, is one of the greatest accelerators of aging. When it's under control, your skin glows more naturally. Your energy lasts longer. Your entire system feels more at ease. Enjoy cashews in countless ways. Tossed into stir-fries for a satisfying crunch, blended into silky sauces, or simply savored as a small handful in the afternoon when energy dips. Each creamy bite is more than a snack. It's a quiet act of restoration. Because true renewal doesn't always happen in grand gestures. Sometimes it begins with something as simple as a cashew, a reminder that nourishment can also be gentle, delicious, and profoundly healing. They say good things come in small, green shells, and pistachios are living proof. Bright, joyful, and often called the happy nut, these tiny treasures hold more than flavor, they hold protection. Inside every pistachio lies a pair of powerful compounds, lutein and zeaxanthin. These are carotenoids, natural pigments that act like sunglasses for your cells. They filter out harmful blue light and defend your skin and eyes from oxidative stress and UV damage, 2 of the biggest culprits behind collagen loss and premature wrinkles. Why does that matter? Because every day, our skin faces invisible battles, sunlight, pollution, screens, all slowly wearing down the scaffolding that keeps it smooth and firm. But when you nourish your body with pistachios, you're arming your cells with resilience. And their benefits go even deeper, literally. Pistachios are rich in fiber and polyphenol, nutrients that feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A well-fed gut microbiome lowers inflammation across your entire body, balances hormones, and even improves how nutrients are absorbed. And here's the beautiful connection. When your gut thrives, your skin glows. That radiant, even complexion isn't just a surface effect. It's a reflection of harmony within. Beyond their science-backed benefits, pistachios bring a touch of color and joy to your plate and to your rituals. Crack them open mindfully. Sprinkle them over salads, blend them into creamy pestos, or fold them into desserts where their soft crunch adds life and texture. Each emerald kernel is a reminder that longevity isn't hidden in complexity. It's tucked into nature's simplest gifts. With every handful, you're not just enjoying a snack. You're nourishing sight, skin, and spirit for the years ahead. Few nuts carry the quiet sophistication and understated elegance of hazelnuts. Behind their smooth, golden shells lies one of nature's most potent sources of vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that does more than protect. It preserves skin elasticity, locks in moisture, and keeps your complexion soft and radiant. Think of vitamin E as a personal bodyguard for your cells. It shields them from oxidative stress, the invisible force that weakens collagen, deepens fine lines, and dulls your natural glow. But the magic of hazelnuts doesn't stop at the surface. Their monounsaturated fats do double duty, supporting heart health, improving circulation, and ensuring that every cell, from head to toe, receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to thrive. Meanwhile, phenolic compounds, powerful plant antioxidants, quietly reduce inflammation and protect your brain from age-related decline, helping your mind stay sharp even as the years pass. Just a handful of hazelnuts a few times a week can help your skin stay supple, your energy remain steady, and your mind feel clear. They're versatile too. Toss them into granola for breakfast, sprinkle them over creamy yogurt, or blend them into a rich homemade nut butter for a luxurious, nourishing treat. Every bite is a reminder that true beauty isn't something you put on your skin. It's something you feed it from within. Hazelnuts whisper a quiet truth. Longevity, vitality, and radiance begin with consistent, mindful nourishment, not quick fixes or surface treatments. Macadamia nuts are more than just a delicious treat. They're nature's moisturizer, a small powerhouse of nourishment for your skin, heart, and overall vitality. Their secret weapon? Palmitoleic acid, a rare omega-7 fatty acid that strengthens your skin barrier, helping it retain hydration, softness, and that natural, youthful glow. As we age, our body's natural oil production slows down, leaving skin dry, dull, and more prone to fine lines. Macadamias step in to reverse that trend from the inside out, replenishing moisture, restoring radiance, and keeping your skin soft to the touch. But the benefits don't stop there. Packed with monounsaturated fats, these golden nuts help soothe inflammation, support heart health, and protect your cells from oxidative stress. Minerals like manganese and magnesium further enhance their impact, activating collagen-building enzymes and fortifying your body's antioxidant defenses. Think of macadamias as both armor and comfort, a luxurious shield that protects your cells while nurturing smoothness, balance, and resilience. Enjoy them in countless ways. Raw as a midday snack, blended into creamy homemade granola, or crushed into decadent desserts for that buttery texture. Just a handful a few times a week is enough to keep your skin supple, your heart strong, and your glow radiant. Every bite is a tiny investment in long-term vitality, indulgent, nourishing, and effortless. Rich, earthy, deeply satisfying. Pecans aren't just a snack. They're one of the most antioxidant-dense foods on the planet, quietly packing a powerful punch for your skin, heart, and overall vitality. Loaded with polyphenol, pecans combat oxidative stress, that invisible force that slowly breaks down collagen, weakens skin structure, and accelerates fine lines and wrinkles. Think of these antioxidants as internal armor, defending your cells and giving your skin the resilience it needs to age gracefully and naturally. But their magic doesn't stop at the surface. Pecans are also heart-healthy champions. Their monounsaturated fats help lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, while boosting HDL, the good cholesterol. This balance improves circulation, which means your skin gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to stay nourished, radiant, and glowing. And there's more. Pecans help stabilize blood sugar, preventing sudden spikes that can damage collagen through a process called glycation. By keeping your energy steady, They protect not only your complexion, but your metabolism and overall health. Versatile and delicious, pecans can be tossed into salads, stirred into oatmeal, blended into smoothies, or simply enjoyed on their own. Every bite is indulgent yet functional, a snack that tastes decadent while quietly strengthening your body from the inside out. Pecans remind us that aging gracefully isn't about avoiding time. It's about arming your body with nature's most potent tools, one handful at a time. Among all nuts, almonds are perhaps the most beloved, and for good reason. These little powerhouses are rich in vitamin E, the same collagen-protecting antioxidant found in hazelnuts, but in even higher concentrations. Vitamin E works tirelessly inside your body, shielding collagen fibers from oxidative stress, slowing fine lines, and keeping skin smooth, firm, and radiant. Studies show that regular almond consumption can improve skin tone, boost elasticity, and reduce visible signs of aging in just weeks. But almonds don't stop at skin-deep benefits. Their healthy fats nourish the brain, supporting cognitive function, while magnesium stabilizes blood pressure, improves circulation, and ensures oxygen-rich blood reaches every cell. When your circulation flows efficiently, your skin literally glows from within, radiating that youthful brightness we all crave. Almonds also help control blood sugar thanks to their balanced mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. By preventing spikes that can damage collagen through glycation, almonds protect your skin's structure while supporting energy levels, metabolism, and long-term vitality. They're versatile too. Enjoy them raw, roasted, or blended into smoothies. Even unsweetened almond butter makes a wholesome, nourishing alternative to processed spreads, giving your body sustained nutrition with every bite. Simple, wholesome, proven. Almonds have quietly built the foundation of some of the world's longest-lived diets, from the Mediterranean to East Asia, and their reputation is well-earned. Every handful is a small, delicious investment in youthful skin, a sharp mind, and overall vitality. Their shape resembles the human brain, and fittingly, walnuts are among the best foods for cognitive and skin health. They're the richest plant source of omega-3 fatty acids, ALA, essential fats that the body cannot produce on its own. Omega-3s calm inflammation throughout your system, helping preserve collagen and elasticity while supporting joint health and mental clarity. Walnuts also contain polyphenol that combat oxidative damage and support circulation, keeping your skin nourished and glowing. From an anti-aging perspective, walnuts operate on 3 levels: reducing inflammation to prevent collagen loss, protecting brain and heart health to extend longevity, enhancing cellular repair, keeping your skin firm and radiant. Add them to salads, oatmeal, or morning yogurt. Just make sure they're fresh, because their delicate oils can turn rancid over time. Store them in the fridge or freezer to preserve their nutrients. Each walnut is a tiny, edible investment in long-term vitality. Tiny, golden, potent. Don't let their small size fool you. Pine nuts are little powerhouses of longevity, quietly packing nutrients that support your skin, brain, and energy levels. Inside these delicate seeds lie vitamin K, magnesium, and zinc, a trio that works wonders behind the scenes. Vitamin K helps maintain strong bones and healthy circulation. Magnesium calms the nervous system and stabilizes energy, and zinc supports immune health, skin repair, and cellular regeneration. Together, they create a foundation for youthful vitality that lasts. Pine nuts also contain pinolonic acid, a rare fat that helps regulate appetite and support metabolism. This means they're not just feeding your body, they're helping your system run more efficiently, keeping your energy steady and your body nourished from the inside out. And the beauty of pine nuts is how effortlessly they fit into your routine. Sprinkle them over salads, stir them into creamy pesto, blend them into morning oatmeal, or simply snack on a small handful. Each tiny seed delivers a concentrated dose of antioxidants, minerals, and healthy fats, a subtle, daily investment in your health. With pine nuts, every bite is a reminder that longevity isn't about extremes. It's about consistency. They may be small, but their impact is mighty, nourishing your skin, supporting your brain, and giving your body the quiet boost it needs to stay vibrant and energized. Now that we've explored their power, how do we bring these foods into everyday life? Start small. A single handful of mixed nuts, about 28 grams or 1 ounce, is enough to gain the benefits without overloading on calories. Choose raw or lightly roasted varieties without added salt or sugar. Avoid candied or flavored versions that counteract their natural healing effects. For maximum results, rotate them. Each nut offers unique strengths: selenium from Brazil nuts, vitamin E from almonds and hazelnuts, omega-3s from walnuts, copper from cashews, and antioxidants from pecans. Variety keeps your nutrition balanced and your body resilient. Try this simple daily routine. Morning, 1 Brazil nut with green tea. Lunch, sprinkle almonds or pistachios over a salad. Afternoon, a small handful of cashews or macadamias as a snack. Evening, toss walnuts or pecans over oatmeal or yogurt for dessert. These little moments, repeated daily, build the rhythm of wellness that keeps you young. Youth isn't lost with age. It's maintained through care, attention, and daily choices. Every day, your body is quietly rebuilding itself, cell by cell, choice by choice. The foods you eat, the habits you nurture, and the small rituals you repeat all determine how gracefully you age. While creams and serums may offer temporary surface results, true longevity and radiant skin come from the nutrients you feed your body from within. The nuts we explored today, Brazil, cashew, pistachio, hazelnut, macadamia, pecan, almond, walnut, and pine nuts, are more than snacks. Together, they form a perfect symphony of longevity, a natural toolkit for vibrant health. They protect collagen, preserve elasticity, support heart and brain health, and calm inflammation. All the foundations of feeling and looking your best, no matter your age. But the lesson is bigger than nutrition. These nuts remind us that health and vitality aren't built through extremes or quick fixes. They're shaped through small, consistent acts repeated day after day. Each handful, each mindful choice is a whisper to your future self. I care about you. I invest in you. So the next time you reach for a snack, choose something that feeds your future, not just your cravings. Because the glow you see on the outside always begins on the inside. This is Golden Years Wellness, a space where aging slows, vitality lasts, and every choice you make is an investment in the life you want to live.